Bịanụle, bịanụle, ihe Chukwu mere. Aga m enye ya ekele, aga m asị ya imela. Olumbise abịala ọzọ. Ndewonu. This is a super easy song to get through, and today we'll use it to learn how to invite people to do something and how to thank people directly and indirectly. Hopefully, there are words that you're now recognizing on your own. If so, that's exciting. The more words you have in your vocabulary, the faster we'll be picking up the pace. Can you bido? These are some of the words that you may already recognize based only on the last two songs that we've learned. I know for sure that you may recognize more than these if you've been exposed to Igbo before, but let's review just the words in green. Le or leanya means look. Ihe is thing or something. Chukwu is God. Ya is the object pronoun him. So we know le, ihe, Chukwu, ya. You may or may not remember agam. We talked a tiny bit about it in the first video. Don't worry if you don't, we'll cover it again today. Let's keep going and find out the rest of the words. The first line of the song. Bịanụle, bịanụle. We talked about commands last time. Bịa is another command. Bịa, come. You can combine commands. Bịale or bịale anya, come and see. You can use bịa and bịale to command one person. If you want to command more than one person, you can say bịanụ, come you all, and bịanụle, come you all and see. So we have bịa, bịanụ, bịale, bịanụle. So bịanụle, bịanụle means come you all and see, come you all and see. In fact, you can put no after any command to use it for more than one person. I'm sure you figured out that it's a shortened form of the pronoun uno, which means you all. So if you go back to the commands that we learned last time, you can practice using them for more than one person by adding no to those commands. Leanya is from that list, so we'll use it here as an example. Leanya for one person, lenanya for more than one person. Or just le and leno. Alright, let's keep moving on. We've combined bia with le here. Next, we'll add a few other things to bia. Okay, so let's practice bia combined with the direction phrases from before. You can use them to invite people to different locations. Bịa n'ihu for one person, bịanụ n'ihu for many people. Bịa n'azụ, bịanụ n'azụ. Bịa n'aka nri, bịanụ n'aka nri. Bịa n'aka ekpe, bịanụ n'aka ekpe. If you're at the top level of a building and you want someone or some people to join you upstairs, you can say bịa n'elu, bịanụ n'elu. Or to join you downstairs, bịa n'ala, bịanụ n'ala. Or to join you under an umbrella, maybe bịa n'okpuru, bịanụ n'okpuru. Or to join you in the middle of a large crowd, bịa n'etiti, bịanụ n'etiti. What about bịa plus a few other things that you can invite someone to do? For an invitation to eat, bịa rie nri or bịa nie nni. Bịanụ rie nri or bịanụ nie nni. For an invitation to drink, bịa ṅụọ mmanya, bịanụ ṅụọ mmanya. For an invitation to dance, bịa gbaa egwu, bịanụ gbaa egwu. For an invitation to play, bịa gwuo egwu, bịanụ gwuo egwu. Let's move on to the second line of the song. Bịanụle, bịanụle, ihe Chukwu mere. We'll talk about ihe Chukwu mere. Remember when we learned onye, ihe, and ebe? This song is using ihe. This is a good time to mention that in Igbo there is no article. In English, the articles are a and the. a something, the something. Igbo doesn't have that, so ihe as it is in the song is the equivalent of the thing. Alright, so we already know Chukwu means God. Ihe Chukwu mere, the thing God did. Mere comes from ime, to do. We've seen ime before, and if you're curious, mere is in the ra verb form where you drop the infinitive e prefix, add re, and duplicate the last vowel, in this case, eh. Think all the way back to the first video when I said ra verb form is complicated because sometimes it translates to present tense and sometimes to past tense, but whatever the case, it's about something being presently true or something presently happening. So anyway, here we have ihe Chukwu mere, what God did. It's in the past tense, but it's still something God did and it's been presently done, so it exists now. Okay, what if we use onye and ebe in the sentence too? How will that sound? I'll use a few other verbs just to give you some variety. Bianule, bianule, onye Chukwu kpọrọ, the person God called. Kpọrọ comes from ịkpọ, to call. And then bianule, bianule, ebe Chukwu gara, the place God went. Gara comes from ịga, to go. You can also replace Chukwu with any other name and practice the sentence that way. So you can say, Biale ihe Adanne mere. Biale ebe Olonne gara. Biale onye Adanne na Olonne kpọrọ. What if it's more than one person or more than one place or more than one thing? Here's how you would say them. Ndi, people. Ihe ndị, things. And ebe ndị, places. Biale ndị Adanne kpọrọ. Biale ihe ndị Olunne mere. Biale ebe ndị Adanne na Olunne gara. Now the third line of the song. Bianole, bianole, ihe Chukwu mere, aga m enye ya ekele. Let's break down aga m enye ya ekele. You know how we've seen over and over again that iga is changed and used as a helping verb to say something in the future tense. Well, agam is how it looks in first person. Agam is I will. Aga m enye, I will give. Aga m enye comes from iga plus inye. Inye is to give. Aga m enye can also be nga enye if you use the other version of I. Let's do the others really quickly. Ị ga-enye, ọ ga-enye, anyị ga-enye, unu ga-enye, and then agaghị enye or ha ga-enye. Okay, back to aga m enye. Aga m enye ya ekele. Aga m enye gịnị? Aga m enye ekele. Ekele is thanks or praise. Nye onye ekele. Nye ya ekele. Ya, we know, is the pronoun him. Aga m enye ya ekele. I will give him thanks, or I will give him praise. Since I've put the other object pronouns here, you can pause the video and practice making more sentences like anyị ga-enye gị ekele. Ọ ga-enye unu ekele, and so on and so forth. You can also replace ekele with any other nouns you know in Igbo like ego, money, and practice the sentence that way. So you can say, aga m enye gị ego. Ọ ga-enye ha ego. Alright, have fun. Since we've seen the future tense in the affirmative form a lot, I want to show you how it will look in the negative form. Let's practice being stubborn for a little bit and learn about will not or won't. To negate a verb, you add the suffix re. In other dialects, that suffix may be ho or ro. So you already know the ga verb form for will do something or will happen. Ga plus another verb in its participle form. Now you're going to learn about the agaghị verb form for won't do something or won't happen. Here's where we left off. I've kept inye, to give, as the main verb, and ego, money, as the thing being given. So here are the examples. Aga m enye ego or m ga-enye ego. Ị ga-enye ego. Ọ ga-enye ego. Anyị ga-enye ego. Unu ga-enye ego. Agaghị enye ego or ha ga-enye ego. Now here's how it would look and sound if we negate those statements. Agaghị m enye ego or m gaghị enye ego. Ị gaghị enye ego. Ọ gaghị enye ego. Anyị agaghị enye ego. Unu agaghị enye ego. Agaghị ha enye ego or ha agaghị enye ego. If you consider other dialects, here are just a few examples of how it will sound. Agahụ m enye ego or agarọ m enye ego. Ị gahụ enye ego or ị garọ enye ego. So, the last line of the song. Bịanụle, bịanụle, ihe Chukwu mere, aga m enye ya ekele, aga m asị ya imeela. Aga m asị ya imeela. I will tell him, you have done. That's the literal translation. But in Igbo, we use the phrase imeela to say thank you. So the line is really saying, I will tell him thank you. Aga m enye ya ekele. I will give him thanks or praise. Aga m asị ya imeela. I will tell him thank you. In addition to imeela, to say thank you, we also say daalụ. Imeela, daalụ, thank you. I think I've also heard the last line sung as aga m asị ya o meela. I will tell him he has done. Aga m asị, I will tell, ya, him, o, he, meela, has done. But as I just explained, we use this phrase to say thank you. So the line really means I will tell him thank you to him. The difference between imeela and omeela is that with imeela, you're telling one person thank you directly. Imeela, you have done, meaning thank you. With omeela, you're passing your thanks through someone else, or maybe you're telling one person about your thanks to someone else. So you say, omeela, he has done, meaning thank you to him, or omeela, she has done, meaning thank you to her. The person you are thanking is not in the conversation. If one person does something for you, you can directly tell the person, imeela, you have done, thank you. But if you send your thanks through someone else, then you say, omeela, he has done, thank you to him, or omeela, she has done, thank you to her. Now, if many people do something for you, you can tell them directly, unu emeela, you all have done, meaning thank you to you all. And if you send your thanks indirectly, you can say, emeela ha, or he emeela, they have done, meaning thank you to them. Imeela, unu emeela, o meela, he emeela. What about daalụ to thank people directly and indirectly? Imeela is daalụ. O meela is ya daalụ. Unu emeela is daalụnụ. Emeela ha or ha emeela is ha daalụ. Okay, so our last activity. Knowing that imeela and daalụ are thank you, we have a nice segue into today's Ginị nọ n'aha. I'm keeping it simple with Chidalu, which comes from Chi, Daalụ, God, thank you, and Chiemela, which comes from Chi Emela, God has done. meaning God, thank you. I think I've heard the name Chidalu more than I've heard the name Chiemela, but both names are valid Igbo names and amazing Igbo names for sure. Ginị ka anyị muru taa? What did we learn today? First, how to command one person but as an invitation using bia, and then how to command more than one person again as an invitation using biano. How to combine bia first with directions to lead someone to where you are, and then with other commands to invite someone to an activity. We reviewed the ga verb form, which we've seen over and over again and is used as the future tense in the affirmative form to say will do something or will happen. Today we also learned about the agaghị verb form, which is the future tense in the negative form to say won't do something or won't happen. Then we learned how to say thank you directly or indirectly to one person or to many people with all the different forms of imela and dalo. Finally, we ended with Ginį and talked about Chidalu and Chiemela. Ngwa, daalụ ndị ọma, unu emeela, mgbe ọzọ.